We started our trip by going west from Colorado Springs on Highway 24, turning south at the city of Divide and following Highway 67 south. We passed by Mueller State Park and then crossed Tenderfoot Pass at 10,200 feet. Before descending into Cripple Creek, we stopped at the Mining Museum at the top of the valley for a bathroom break and a quick walk through the free museum. If you have a chance to go, it was really nice and detailed the gold mining era of this area. We had time, so I did a time lapse from the parking lot. I really love the clouds in Colorado. They are changing all the time, always dramatic and moving fast. In Cripple Creek, we found the entrance to Phantom Canyon. Just a warning, it is not marked or signed until you get to the southern entrance, so use a GPS or have a good navigator. Phantom Canyon is one of 4 designated roads of the Gold Belt Scenic Byway, so named because they link Colorado's gold mining districts to each other in the Arkansas Valley. I'll link the website below. I recommend taking more than one day if you'd like to do them all. From the city of Cripple Creek to Florence, the name of the byway is Phantom Canyon. We allotted 2 hours to drive the 30-mile section, but with stops, we spent more than 5 hours taking pictures and sightseeing. This road was originally the home to a narrow-gauge railroad built in 1894. The train carried gold from the Cripple Creek area south. This portion of the scenic byway is about 30 miles long and made of a graded gravel and dirt road, and is suitable for most cars and vans. The road drops 4,000 feet from north to south and is popular for mountain biking and off-roading. On the weekends, the traffic can be heavy. That can mean lots of dust, and even though the traffic goes both ways, there are 2 tunnels and several spots along the road that are only 1 car wide. It is said that Phantom Canyon got its name after the 1890s ghost sighting of a man wearing a prison uniform walking along the tracks. The passengers who spotted the man claimed that he was the same man who was executed at the Colorado State Penitentiary a few days prior. Along the way, you'll cross Adelaide Bridge. Built in 1897, these three steel spans replaced a wooden railroad trestle that burned in 1896. It is the official site of the National Register of Historic Places, and it is the only remaining bridge from the Florence and Cripple Creek Railroad. It's a good place to stop, have lunch, and enjoy the spectacular view of this canyon. The last few southern miles of Phantom Canyon host several DNR-free campsites, all located within a few steps of 8 Mile Creek, no reservations, first come, first serve, and no amenities. The road turns paved and you find yourself conveniently on Highway 50. Turn east and you're a 30-minute drive to Pueblo. We ended our day by having dinner at the Airplane Restaurant in Colorado Springs. The centerpiece is a fully intact Boeing KC-97 tanker built in 1953.